Hello, I'm Carissa Colasiopo, mind body expert and Reiki healer. So do you ever feel like you have superpowers and it's like you just forgot how to use them? I'm like that, and I actually have dreams sometimes that I can light things on fire like this. I can, one time I woke up from a dream and it felt really real. It felt more like an out-of-body experience. And I remember telling the water to boil that was on my nightstand in my glass. And then when I woke up, I was looking at the same exact glass and I was like, ugh, I just told that water to boil. I should be able to still do that. So I wonder if any of you guys ever have these feelings too, like you have these superpowers. And if you just, it's like you just forgot how to use them and they're still there and you just need to tap into that power. I do believe there are people in this world that can do that. People that can channel their chi and light things on fire, move objects. And I really do believe that the Reiki energy that I channel when I'm doing healings is the same power. Because my clients say that it feels like this electricity, like a very light version of a TENS machine, or heat, or just pressure coming in. And it feels like I'm tapping into the same power, just to a lesser degree than those masters that can light things on fire. And I've been experimenting with even speaking to the source energy that I feel flowing through me. I channel it from above, coming into the crown. I also channel this Kundalini earth energy from below, having them meet in the middle and then projecting it out. And when I was working on a client recently, I had my hands like up in the chest area and I could feel the power, the electricity increasing in me. I didn't know if he could feel it. We weren't speaking. I was just feeling this energy. And I experimented with silently telling it to move where it's needed the most. Not really knowing exactly where that would be, but just trusting the source energy to go where that is. And I think because the energy was flowing through so strongly, I felt it shift to my right and into his lower abdomen, and it looked and it felt like it was moving and filling his abdomen, and I just felt and I didn't move my hands. It was just like this energy just shifted. And then later after the session, then we talked and he did indeed feel the energy move into his abdomen. It was just this pressure building in. It's a very pleasant pressure. Just feels out of this world and calming and just so much peace. So my journey to this point as a healer, my personal evolution has been a really exciting thing for me to watch. I feel that everything is just increasing in me for many reasons. I'm coming into a time in my life where I know to put myself first without apology, pushing away the guilt factor and just moving forward for what I need for my happiness and my healing, and knowing that that is first and foremost my responsibility, and then having that be an example for others. I now know the tools that help me keep my calm, increase my confidence, and get me grounded back into knowing my own energy. And I am in a time in my life where I actually follow through in using those tools daily, every day, practicing. Practice is tremendous. It's a huge component for our power increasing. If we know the tools and we don't use them, they don't work. I am loving feeling my powers increase, my abilities increase, and my confidence and my abilities to help my clients in these same ways. And I am dedicated to my personal evolution, continuing this work and doing it every single day for the rest of my life. And I can help you also step into your calm, be the best version of yourself, be the most confident version of yourself, and create your life on purpose, being the happiest, healthiest, most vibrant person that you know that you're meant to be. It's in you, and it's just a matter of plucking it out and dusting off all the old energies that aren't even yours anymore, and step into your personal power. If you're interested in learning more about how I can help you, you can contact me on my website, holistictouchmassage.com. I encourage you to book a discovery call there, or you can text me if you're local, and we'll talk about how I can help you get into your confidence and be who you really are. Okay, happy healing, everyone.